How's it going? Welcome to this channel and video. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel by clicking that subscribe button below the video and click that notification bell so you do not miss out on any important videos in the future. My name is TJ and I'm a full-time digital marketer, and on my channel you can find videos on how to make passive income online and some tips and strategies on advertising. In this video, I'm going to reveal how much I've spent on training and online courses in the past year. I knew nothing about affiliate marketing when I first started, so I looked for a course that will help me understand the business and then to help me create my first campaign. This is how I started with LinkedIn Learning and Udemy.com. So if you have a LinkedIn Premium account, then you have access to a database of courses that you can take. So depending on what interests you, so you can learn SQL, Excel, HTML, Java, Photoshop, and so on and so on. And this is how I found Become a Digital Marketer path. And this path had over 17 hours of content. It teaches you everything from SEO, affiliate marketing to lead generation. It's very professional and it's very good for newbies. So I had a premium account for 4 months and I have spent $120 on this. LinkedIn Learning is included with your premium account membership. Then I turned to Udemy.com, and here I used the discount code and I was able to get 9 courses that in the end eventually paid $120 altogether. Udemy offers discounts constantly, so be on the lookout for that. The courses I took were mostly for marketing, and I haven't had a chance to go through all of these, but I'm planning to in the future. The 2 I was very satisfied with was affiliate marketing without a website and the ClickBank Success Zero Cost Advertising. These 2 courses are from the same instructor, and these courses actually helped me to get things going and get my first sale on ClickBank. Courses were easy to follow and it gives you everything in order to get the ball rolling and earn your first commission. The next course I bought was Easy One Up, and I paid $550 for that, and this was a total waste of money. In the end, I never promoted this product even though I really wanted to. This is a network marketing program and I went through their lessons, and the videos they have are very outdated and I didn't like it at all. It was a total waste of time and money for me, so I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. So moving on to the next one. I have then found Legendary Marketer and I wanted to give it a shot. I purchased their affiliate marketing blueprint, which was $2,500, and it was very useful. This program was specifically designed for those who want to be in affiliate marketing, and this course gives some valuable information on how to create good offer and how to run affiliate ads. Legendary also has their Business Builder Challenge for $7, and it's aimed to those people who want to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. So I would suggest that since it doesn't cost a lot of money. I have also purchased a copywriting course from Legendary for $49, and it was a one-time offer, and I wanted to learn copywriting since I like that skill. So this course really pushed me to do the work and actually sit and write better at copies. The next course I bought was from Stack Skills. Entrepreneur Magazine wrote about this course and it offered a discount, so I was able to get this for $100. This covers digital marketing from A to Z. So it has Facebook ads, SEO, email marketing, AdWords, retargeting, Amazon traffic, and it's backed. Some of these lessons I have already purchased on Udemy, such as this one. So it's, I think, Facebook ads and the Google AdWords course. Those are the same as the ones I already purchased, but everything else is new to me. So I can't say much about this because I haven't started the course yet, so I don't know how much I will get from it. So it seemed like a good offer, and that's why I bought it. So the last course that I will mention is One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels. This was only $100 and it's the best of the best. I made a video about it, so you can search my channel and watch the video. This course is designed to force entrepreneurs to stop working on stuff that doesn't matter and start implementing the key tasks that will get your funnel live and your business flowing. In 30 days, you will have a funnel that is built and live and ready to gather leads and sales. Trust me, this course is just pushing you out of your limits, and I believe it's worth it. I will leave a link below this video so you can join the challenge. If you want to start any business in any industry, this course will help you do that. So that gives a total of $3,593 for online courses. So this is only for courses, training, and mentoring. I'm not counting money spent on ads, tools, and other stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.